the journey. Yemko.
It's not easy. It's amazing. Yes. You made it. Join the journey for such content like this. We will take you on unimaginable adventures across Africa, across Ghana, across all cities in the world. Just subscribe, comment, and share for more content like this. Because we are back with speed, fire, and everything. You love it. If you cannot go with us, just subscribe. You enjoy all the actions here. Nothing is greater than this. The journey. Subscribe now. One more time. Sunny has finally made it. See him. Guys, look at him.
It's not easy.
You are struggling a bit now.
I'm really tired. I'm really tired.
Sun on my face, wind in my soul.
I can make it this far.
You are real. You are the real hero today, man. Yeah, you like face your challenges. Yeah. In this life, just be like Sunny. Face your challenges and you truly overcome them. Nothing is easy, but you know, if you keep pushing, who knows? Your last push might be the best push. Subscribe to the channel.
Today, people are rediscovering this place. Tourists visit, photographers share images, young Ghanaians explore their natural heritage again. The waterfall is no longer hidden, but its story still flows quietly.
I listen close, lost myself but found my soul. Every stranger got a story, every sunrise brings new glory. From red dust roads to neon nights, from quiet prayers to city lights. I don't chase perfect views, I chase the feeling I can't lose. No comfort zone, no looking back, no safe road, just my path. If I'm scared, that means I'm alive. If I'm lost, that means I'm alive. I'm running to the
Travel company located in Ghana and Dubai. Charlie, if you want travel, you know get issue cry. That be your best club. Horizon Travel and
drum in my chest, sun on my skin. New road calling, I'm ready begin. The journey is calling, let's go. Johnny know the finish.
Maybe history is not always written. Maybe sometimes history flows. And maybe the places we must protect most are the places that cannot speak for themselves.
Please make my heart feel whole. Passport stamp but roots run deep. Promises I go always keep. If fear come loud, I know send down. If life says stop, I still go on. I know they follow crowd on us. I they follow in our boys. If I fall, I go stand again. Strong like sun after heavy rain. I dey run to horizon, where my destiny call my name. No trace, no feeling, just fire for my day. If road lonely, I go still move. My spirit no fit slow down. I want to be down. No
You have to tide it. You have to tide it.
River flow, I know chase perfect life. I chase peace when no day high, no comfort zone, no turning back, getting back. I'm now my road, now my track.
This is where we are ending ASENEMA Waterfall adventure today. I bet it's not easy. For content like this, make sure you comment, share, and subscribe. This is the only way you can help us. Love you all. Let's go together. Let's journey the world together. One step at a time. Right.
Through storm and darkness, I still go choose today. If one heavy for my crown, still I no go fall down. I'm born for the journey, and I no go slow down. This is the journey.
With the bounce. Food here, I love food.
Chilling no be anything special like this.
Drum in my chest, sun on my skin. New road calling, I'm ready begin. The journey is calling.
Special, they pay for
Let's
some
go.
ads.
Aye, 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 oh. Johnny know they finish. Backpack full, but my spirit light. From village roads to city lights. Dust on my shoes, fire in my soul. Africa breeze make my heart feel whole. Past bus stand, but roots run deep. Promises I go always keep. If fear talk loud, I know send down. If life says stop, I still go wrong. I know they follow crowd on us. I they follow in our voice. If I fall, I go stand again. Strong like sun after heavy rain. I they run to horizon.